We are out here at Miller-Sylvania State Park where the windstorm last night has done quite a bit of damage, including to this kitchen structure that was built by the CCC back in the 1930s. I'll go ahead and scroll up so you can see the tree that the top fell off of, way up there. So that ended up coming down. Some of it went through the roof. I'll walk in there in a second so you can see it. It did hit the top of the fireplace there. That brick is sideways now. It used to obviously be straight. This valley sustained some damage. I'll go ahead and walk in there. And this is the hole where it poked through.